Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make two images same size using PDF element. I'll make this image and this image same size. Open your PDF file and select edit option and select an image, edit text and select an image. Now click on this image and click right button for properties and this image properties. Also open here your image properties. This image height and this is height, and height I will make 6 and wide I will make 10, and also I will make this image height 6 and wide I will make 10, and see this, these two images now same size. See this, yeah, and also you can make this image and this image same size. I'll select this image properties and see this. I'll make it 9 and this one 7, and same way I'll make it 9 and 7, and see this, these two images now same size. In this way we can make all of these images same size, yeah. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. You subscribe, like, share and comments.